Welcome to our home, Hong Kong. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Be careful when opening the overhead compartment, as items inside may fall out. Please also check that you have all your personal belongings before leaving the aircraft. You may now switch on your personal electronic devices with cellular functions. For passengers with connecting flights on Cathay Pacific, please reserve time for security checks and arrive at the boarding gate at least 30 minutes before departure to avoid disruption to your travel plan. The connecting flight information is available from your personal TV or our ground staff on arrival. It's been our pleasure taking care of you today. On behalf of Captain Robert Larson and the entire crew, thank you for flying Cathay Pacific, a member of the One World Alliance. We wish you a very wonderful day. Goodbye.
Each other.
Come to Hong Kong to sightseeing?
No, wedding. Very expensive. Beautiful scenery, yeah, by the way.
But anyway, you take the chance to travel, Take the chance in Singapore.
Oh, in Singapore, it's longer. We have to be stayed over there for 2 weeks.
Oh.
Here is we could apply.
Very long. Singapore stay 2 weeks.
2
What
weeks.
about Thailand?
Thailand, we don't know.
Bangkok.
It's even.
Longer.
Yeah,
Wow.
I don't know. Not.
So many.
Immigration. Going to immigration.
Hold the handrail,
請勿靠近車門，並請沿途緊握扶手。
Please stand clear of train doors and please hold the handrail during the whole journey.
请勿靠近车门，并请沿途紧握扶手。 请沿途緊握扶手。
Please hold the handrail during the whole journey.
请沿途紧握扶手。